gone before us, and all who will believe will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. 'Cause your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name, it stands above them all thrones and dominions and all powers and positions. Your name, it stands, and the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. And if you've been forgiven, and if you've been redeemed, we'll sing the song forever to the Lamb. And if you walk in freedom, and if you've been risen, sing the song forever to the Lamb. We will sing the song forever and amen. And the angels cry, holy, 'cause your name, Jesus, your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name, it stands above them all thrones and dominions and all powers and positions. Your name, it stands